Hey guys, Nash here. So I have been installing ROMs since 2010 and so far I have installed around 300 ROMs, and that's crazy, I know, but I didn't install those in one phone, of course. So currently I have Redmi Note 4, OnePlus 5T, OnePlus One and Samsung S9 Plus. So I wanted to buy a new phone to flash ROMs. So I decided, since OnePlus 6T's launch, for me personally this is the best time to buy OnePlus 6. As it already has many custom ROMs to install, and suddenly the price dropped because of OnePlus 6T, so I was about to get this around $420, so that comes to 30k Indian rupees. So if you want to flash ROMs with me, you can buy this phone. I will drop links in description. And in my personal experience with OnePlus, developers always stick to the non-T version, means OnePlus 3 instead of OnePlus 3T. Same goes with OnePlus 5 instead of OnePlus 5T, and that's the reason I bought this OnePlus 6. And guys, this is 6GB version with 64GB memory, and the reason I didn't go for 128GB, number 1, the price, and number 2, this is going to be my secondary phone. Yes, I keep two phones with me. Currently this is virgin, and by the time you are watching this video, probably I broke its virginity already, unlocked a bootloader and flashed my favorite TWRP recovery, and you can suggest me which custom ROM you would like to see first in this phone. So don't forget to comment below for that. And don't worry guys, I will still be making ROM videos for Redmi Note 4, OnePlus 5T, OnePlus One. In fact, I just uploaded a video for OnePlus One yesterday. You can watch that in I button. Also, if you're planning to buy OnePlus 6T, I would advise you don't buy that. Instead of go for OnePlus 6. As OnePlus 6T is new, it won't have many ROMs available to install. This is OnePlus 6 and it has plenty of custom ROMs available: AOSP ROM, Lineage OS based ROM, and of course Oxygen OS based ROM. And there is Gcam working in this phone also. One more reason not to buy 6T is there is nothing new. The camera is same, the display is same. I don't see a reason to buy OnePlus 6T just because it has smaller notch. And guys, if you own OnePlus 6 already, comment below and let me know what's your favorite ROM for this phone, as I'm going to install each and every ROM for this phone and I'm going to review it and will let you know if you should install it or not. And before you go, please like this video if you appreciate my work on this channel. This is your friend Nash signing out, and I will see you tomorrow with a new ROM.